time of year where we want the fan to be going, and we have pretty low ceilings, and I'm pretty tall, so I wanted a low profile fan. Went with this one from Vukia. This is the box that it ships in. It's not very heavy. Let's open it up here. Got some instructions here. How to install it, how to operate it. Cardboard and styrofoam packing materials. There's the fan itself. Not very heavy at all. We've got the hardware and a cleaning cloth. Let's move this box out of here. And we'll pull it out of that bag. We've got the remote controlled attached to the fan. We've got the bracket that it'll slide into and attach to the ceiling. There's a safety cable, so you can attach that to the bracket and the fan won't fall to the floor. This one has the low profile fan with the LED lights around the edges. This is going to have a great effect. A very good footprint on the ceiling. While being smaller than my old fan, it should move just as much air. Really looking forward to using this one. Hope this helps.